1 million years ago, life was a battle. Every single day.
Before cities, before farms, humans lived with nothing but their wits and their will to survive. This is Krog's tribe. 6 souls against an unforgiving world. Their weapons were simple: stone, wood, and sinew, but deadly in skilled hands.
The hunt begins at first light. Today they search for food, or they go hungry.
Krog signals. Something's ahead.
An antelope. Enough meat to feed them for days.
One chance. One throw. Miss, and they scatter.
They spread out, surrounding their prey. Silent, patient, deadly.
Krog rises, takes aim, and
Throws. The spear cuts through the air.
It's hit! But the antelope runs. The tribe gives chase. They run for miles. Exhaustion versus survival. They cannot give up.
victory!
Tonight! They feast!
Nothing is wasted. Meat for food, hide for clothing, bones for tools. The journey back is long, but their burden is precious. Life itself.
Home! Safety! However temporary.
The flames grow, bringing warmth, light, and protection.
They eat together, share stories without words, bonds forged in fire and struggle.
Krog watches the darkness beyond. The night brings new dangers.
The tribe forms a circle, spears ready. Fire keeps most predators away, but not all.
Finally, the predators retreat. Dawn is coming. They survived another night. This was life 1 million years ago.